Guys, welcome back to my channel. So before we get started, I wanted to show you guys this really quickly. This is my favorite recipe for an adult milkshake. I just use milk, Breyers, creamsicle ice cream, and Dippy Cow's rum cream, the vanilla soft serve flavor. It makes an awesome milkshake. And all I do is just put it in my little Ninja blender and for just a few seconds, and then it's absolutely great. So today we're going to show you guys how to make this really pretty spring wreath for under $15. I got everything here from Walmart and the dollar store, and I'm going to show you guys how to make it really quick. So first things first, I got the wreath itself, the cotton buds, and the peonies at Walmart. All of this cost me about $13. So I take this wreath, it was about $5 I want to say, and I just went ahead and propped it up so that you guys could see it a little better. I took the cotton buds, I cut a few off, and then I realized I had to cut them separately, so I decided to take some floral wire and just kind of twist the two little stems together so I can make them kind of whatever length I really want to, and so I can make the little bunches whatever kind of size that I wanted to. Next, I'm going to take them and just kind of start placing them throughout the wreath, just so that it makes it a little bit easier to see where I want to put everything before I start really wiring it in. I absolutely love these peonies. They were only like $3 from Walmart, and they're the real feel ones. They were really, really great. They're really pretty, and they were super cheap. So I'm just taking the rest of the cotton buds and the flowers and just kind of pushing them around, kind of making sure I figure out where exactly I want to put them first. Once I do this step, I'm going to take some more of that floral wire and just kind of wire these into the wreath itself. This has a lot of places where I can kind of attach the wire, so it makes it a lot easier. Then I'm going to take this burlap and lace ribbon that I got from the dollar store. I'm going to make just a cute little bow out of it. I'm going to fluff up the ends really quickly, and then I'm going to take some wire and again wire this to the wreath. This whole process took me less than an hour and it turned out really great. I absolutely love my wreath. If you guys want to see more from me, make sure you subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.